We're here to talk about water. We've got 4 really good speakers who I'm sure will stimulate an active discussion a little later on.
The language of risk is really critical to everything we do in flood risk management because it's the basis of all the decisions we make. And no, I believe that actually at the moment it's not understood as well as it should be across the stakeholders in the industry. And this is a problem because it means that we don't have the information we need to make informed decisions all of the time.
Conventionally, traditionally, we've had a very negative view of water. We've seen it as a problem. We've felt that we've got to get rid of it as quickly as we can. And of course, in doing that, we've wasted water and we've polluted our rivers and seas.
The increase in population across the globe and the increase in enthusiasm for Western cultures, such as wearing different suits, clothes almost every day of the week, is having a huge impact on our virtual water footprint. And that is something we have to educate the public on.
We have absolutely no idea of the value of water or the embodied water in everything that we use every day, and that we squander massive amounts of water.
Do you think you'll make any changes to your lifestyle because of concerns over your water footprint?
I think I probably will, possibly just in the short term, being realistic. Something will always impact you and then you'll suddenly make a change to your life, but in the long term something else will come along and probably supersede that in the forefront of your mind.
One thing we can do as engineers is make our information clearer and more available to the insurance industry so that they can use it.
There is a huge disconnect between what the information and data that's created during the design and construction of any infrastructure or buildings and properties and what an insurer has to capture and validate to understand what they're underwriting to price it correctly, but also understand the vulnerability to risk and exposure, and particularly flooding, of course.
I think we're coming to a point where there is going to be such a huge stress on water everywhere on the planet that we can no longer look at it as a case of, you know, this country or that country or the West and the developing world. It has to be as a whole, you know. So it's almost like the developing world will have to swallow quite a bitter pill in order to kind of accept that they have to do something for the greater good.